Here I've got MEIZU M8 Lite, and let me show you how to activate and use engineering mode on the following device. So to activate it, you will have to enter a secret code, which is *##, ###364 6633 ###. And as you can see, now we are in engineering mode. Here you can check all the details regarding your phone, all the features. If you would like to get some further details, for example about your antenna, just click here, and here you've got info. Then you can check the band mode. It's here, for example, for second and first, whichever you would like to have. Then let's find connectivity, and here you can check Bluetooth, Wi-Fi display, whichever you would like to. Just click, and then you've got details. Then you've got the hardware testing, so if you'd like to check some sensors, videos, audio, smoothly click and then check volume, speech, debug session, speech logger, or whatever you want to check. And also you can check location and log and debugging. Under others you will find configuration and also MEIZU M. So just pick the option that you would like to check, pick the feature and click on it, and then come with the details. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate and use engineering mode on your MEIZU. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.